ayan. So, Happy Baby Organic Teeter. Sweet potato and banana. So, pag sinabing organic, sabi nila safe daw for babies. Pero ako kasi wala akong bilib sa mga processed food. Ayan. Pero, syempre, since matagal pa naman expiration nito, ayan, November, ano pa to? February 15, 2024. So, pwede pa niyang kainin to in time. Ayan. So, gentle on gums. So, ang instruction dito is ayan. Ito ang mga nakasulat. So, meron siyang sugar, which is dapat hindi pa pinapakain yung baby ng sugar. Kasi, nakalabas na yung ipin ni baby. 4 teeth na yung nakalabas. So, nakasulat dito, your child may be ready for organic teethers when she or he sits with help or support, pushes up from tummy onto arms with straight elbows, open mouth, and leans towards spoon. Ayan. So, ito siya. Nakasulat dito, gluten-free, dissolve easily, no artificial flavors, encourages self-feeding. Meron kasi mga taong allergy sa gluten. So, si baby wala naman siyang allergy. No artificial flavors. Pero nakita natin kanina, meron siyang salt na, sugar na 1 gram. Ayan. Tapos, ganito yung packaging niya. Ayan. Sweet potato and banana. So, parehong tigas ng pupo. So, this product should only be fed to seated, supervised children who are accustomed to chewing solid food. This unit not labeled for individual sale. Tapos, dito nakasulat, may ingredients siya, organic, jasmine rice flour. Naku, may rice pala to. Organic sugar, organic banana, organic sweet potato. Yung salt niya, meron na siyang salt. Pero walang nakasulat kung ilang grams yung salt niya. So, isa lang yung ipapatry natin kay baby para kahit pa paano ma-check natin kung kaya na ba niyang mag-nguya. Ayan. Kasi, very important na ma-develop yung kanilang chewing skill para, para pwede na talaga silang mag-solid food. Ayan. So, isa lang ipapatry ko kasi nga ayoko din masana yung anak ko sa sugar and processed food at salt. Ayan. Okay. Hoy! Okay na yun lahat. Odi. Odi. Odi.
Look, friends, it's a milk Christmas tree. Wow! You say on, and we'll put a star on top. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Whoa! Now there's a star on top of the tree. You did it! Yay! We can also decorate the tree with some felt ornaments. This felt ornament is 2 bells. This one's a put it on. Yay! It's a gingerbread man. Put him on the tree. Hooray! I love decorating with Christmas tree.